I'm here going to do another cooking tutorial. Today I'm going to make bangers and mash in my Instant Pot. This is another recipe I've never tried before, but it sounded really good. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have my Instant Pot out. It's not turned on right now. It's plugged in, but not turned on. And like I said, I have the Instant Pot Luxe. So the first thing it says to do is to take 2 pounds of russet potatoes, skin them and cut them in 1-inch cubes. It suggests that that's about 4 large russet potatoes. So I went ahead and already did that. Put that in the bottom of your Instant Pot. I took a wooden spoon and kind of pushed them so that they're all evenly coated on the bottom. And then it tells you to take a cup of water. You're going to cover the potatoes, and then you need a package of sausages. I'm just using, these are just mild Italian pork sausages. That's what I had, so that's what I'm going to use. And you're going to put those on top of the potatoes. And there are 5 in the package. I think it calls for 4, but we're going to put 5 in there, just because I don't want to have to just keep 1 in the package. I'd rather use them all up. Okay. I'm going to wash my hands and I will be right back with the next step. Okay, so I did that. You want to make sure that you only put your sausages in a single row. So I'm now going to turn my Instant Pot on. I put the lid on and make sure that your pressure valve is set. You're going to turn it to manual for 10 minutes. And then after that goes off, you're going to pressure release. Okay, so I think my 10 minutes is about to start counting down. It's building up a lot of pressure. So what I did a little bit of prep work while that's happening. You need to preheat your oven to 200. You'll just do that to keep your sausages and your mashed potatoes warm. Forgot the word. And then you're supposed to use a red onion. You're going to make onion jam to top all of this. I didn't have a red onion, I only had a yellow, so we're going to do it with the yellow onion. It probably won't be as sweet, but it'll still be good. So I took 1 medium one, sliced it super, super thin. You're also going to need to go ahead. I went ahead and just prepped the stuff that I'm going to need for my potatoes, with the exception of the milk and the salt and pepper. I'll just do that when everything's ready to go. But 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And then you need 1/2 cup of chopped up green onions. So I put that in a bowl. That's all I've done. And it's starting to smell delicious in here. I believe that's all I've done so far. And then I have all the rest of my ingredients out and ready to go. So salt, pepper, balsamic vinegar, milk, beef broth, cornstarch. I have 2 more tablespoons of unsalted butter that you're going to use to make the jam. One of my kids just fell over the barricade. But yeah, I will be back. I'm waiting for it to start counting down from 10 minutes. I figure it should be any time now. It's building up a lot of pressure and I can hear it. So that should be starting soon. And then I think it'll go pretty fast after that. Okay, so my sausages are done, my potatoes are good, then they are super great looking for mashed potatoes. I'm going to add the milk and season them. I have my Instant Pot, I wiped it out, set it on saute, and then I put 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in the bottom of it, and we're going to let that kind of melt down, and then I'm going to add my sausages back in. Get everything over here that I need, like a multitask. My mashed potatoes and my milk. Alright, so my butter, I'm going to multitask, it's melting down. When it melts down, I'm going to stick my sausages back in and saute them for about 3 minutes just to get them brown. I have a glass bowl with my mashed potatoes in it. You also have your 4 tablespoons of butter and then your chopped up green onions. I have 4 tablespoons of milk. I don't think I'm going to need all of this. They seem pretty creamy without that. I'm just going to mix it in. Oh yeah, I don't think I'm going to need all of that. probably used maybe 2.5 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to season it with a little bit of sea salt and black pepper. I'm going to add my 5 sausages back in and saute those for 3 minutes. My potatoes, a little bit of sea salt and cracked black pepper. Not a lot of salt. Black pepper. There'll be a lot of salt, but I like my black pepper, so I usually do quite a bit of that. You want to call that good for right now? I'll babysit my sausages over here. It smells so good. So yeah, my dinners are very rarely Weight Watcher friendly. Because after a long day, I want some comfort food. So I think the sausages are just about done. Okay, so I went ahead, added my 2 tablespoons of, what do I have in here? Beef broth and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and my onions. I still have my pot on saute. And these are going to cook down for about 3 minutes. We will add, you want to make sure that you're scraping the bottom of your pan so you can get all those little yummy bits from the sausages browning. And then you're going to add in cornstarch and all that good stuff. So I will be back in 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes. It says 3 to 4 minutes to let the onions kind of melt down and sweat. You're going to take balsamic vinegar. This is my leftover vinegar from HelloFresh meals. You need 2 tablespoons of that. 2 tablespoons. I think I'm just going to have enough. I have just enough, like a little bit left over. Not much. Good way to get rid of that excess fresh. Okay, you're going to stir that together and let that cook for an additional minute. That smells so good. You also need another cup of beef broth you're going to add in just a minute. And you also need to make a slurry, which is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 1/2 cup of water stirred together. It's going to help thicken that up and really make it into a gravy. And then I will, after it's, you're going to whisk it constantly for about a minute or 2. Also going to add in, they call this a slurry, the cornstarch and water mix. And you want to whisk this in so you can really incorporate in that cornstarch. It's what's going to help thicken up the gravy and make it really yummy. If you guys don't know, we live in Oklahoma and our teachers are on strike right now, which I totally support. I have a elementary ed degree, a bachelor's degree, and unfortunately I can't use it because I can't afford to live off of that. Teachers are paid last in the nation, and so teachers are striking, which they've been on strike pretty much all week for the majority of them. Like, I don't think local schools.
Like some schools that
I know our local. I think the local schools around here, teachers are taking alternative, like some are going each day so that everybody has a chance to go, because they don't have enough teachers to run if everybody goes. But some of the schools up closer to the city have closed all week, and all of the teachers are striking. They're all at the Capitol. They're striking for funds to educate their classroom, or to fund their classroom and give kids a quality education. I mean, conditions.
It's like so bad, like the desks are all broken
Yeah,
up.
I mean, just for basics.
Classes are still like overcrowded. Kids are like being forced to sit on the
Basic
floors.
education needs that. I mean, students should have anyway. textbooks are like 20 to 30 years old.
Some
I read
history
today that one kid from Ada was excited that they got a reader that was used by Blake Shelton back in '84. It's 2018. That book is 30 years old. That's
I got
pathetic.
history books where like Bush is still president.
Chairs are falling apart. Desks are falling apart. Some places, most places can't afford. The teachers can't afford copy paper. They can't make copies.
Heating, buildings are falling apart.
Yeah, the roofs are falling in. I mean, basic things that students should have anyway. I mean, there's a problem when you can't afford to fund copy paper, and the school year is not even over
Some
yet.
teachers have spent like almost $2,000 out of their own pockets just to supply basic school supplies.
So yeah, teachers are making not good money and having to fund their own classrooms, which they can't afford. Most of them are driving cars from when they were in high school. It's just sad. They can't make a basic living. So I totally support teachers striking to get I mean, it's not even for the money, because the raises that the state is willing to give them is not even going to make any bit of difference after taxes. They're doing it for the kids, so the kids can have quality education. They can have up-to-date textbooks that are not 30 years old and falling apart. They can have chairs to sit in. I mean, the students are having to duct tape their chairs back together. There's something seriously wrong with that. That should not be acceptable. But yeah, our legislators and government think it is. It's really sad. So yeah, our teachers are on strike. And I fully support them for
Did you hear
that.
about like that? About the teachers in Tulsa are going to be marching
Yep.
down to the Capitol.
Yep.
It's taking about a week to do it.
It breaks my heart. It breaks my heart because, I mean, I went to school for a profession that I love, I'm good at, I feel like I'm good at. I'll never get to do it because I can't afford to live off of that and support my family. I love my job now, but I mean, education always is kind of like something that I love to do, and I can't do it. And I'm going to be paying on a degree that I can't even use because it's not appreciated in the state. It's not a priority. And it's really sad. Okay, so I think our onion jam's good. Went off on a little soapbox. It's thickened up. It looks really good. It smells good. I'm going to go ahead and turn my Instant Pot off, and I'm going to give it a little tasty. It's probably going to burn the crap out of me. Delicious. That's good. I like it. Okay. So I think we're good. I'm going to go ahead and plate it up and we'll try it. I'm going to try off camera my potatoes, see if they need any more salt or pepper. But I think everything else is pretty much done. My nose is itching like crazy because I have this piece of hair that keeps like hitting my nose. Alright, so I'm going to plate everything up. We're going to try it, let you know how it tastes, and we will be done. Okay, so I'm going to have my trusty tester here try it. My phone's about to die. Well, it took seconds, so I guess that's a good sign. Good?
Well, I got the bratwurst and the potatoes.
Good? Everything tastes good? This is what it looks like. Not super appealing to look at, but it tastes really good.
Is that onion jam?
Yeah.
Not runny, but you know.
Yeah, but you know, maybe a little bit more cornstarch. And guys, like this video, be looking for my next video, maybe tomorrow, I don't ever know. Let me know what you think if you try this, or if you would like to see any other Instant Pot recipes, or if you have favorites you would like me to try, let me know. We will see you in the next video. Ignore my dirty dishes in the background. Bye!